Good morning, children. We are going to start a new poem that is No Men Are Fallen by James Kirkup from Bihar. So let's know the introduction of this poem. Have you thought of some people as strange or other countries as foreign? We have many ways to think of other people as different from us, as them. They may belong to a different country or speak a different language. In this poem, however, the poet reminds us of the many ways in which we are all the same, for we all are humans. Now, the summary of this poem. No Men Are Foreign is a beautiful poem that tells us all the divisions based on nations, caste, color, creed, or religion or baseless since we all are similar in all basic needs of the common resources for our life. We all have a common source of origin and we all are dependent on the same resource for our survival. We may belong to a different country and speak a different language, but we all enjoy the beauty of nature. In short, the poem is about the fact all human beings are same. There is no different in the countries they live in. Therefore, wars and the bloodsheds that takes place in the name of caste, class, creed, and a country are futile and must be condemned. The uniforms worn by many people in different parts of the world may be different, but the bodies beneath them are as same. The earth that one walks upon is the same for all people from different countries. All will one day or the other die the return to earth only. People in every part of the world get the sunshine, air, and water in equal measures. They too prosper during peace but have to suffer poverty and hunger during the war like us. They do the same jobs to earn their livelihood as we do. They are built just like as us and sleep or wake up in a manner similar to ours. They too can be won by love. Thus, human being is the same in every part of the world. We must remember that even when we hate, betray, or condemn others for forcefully, it may take away the property of us, the human nature from us. Now, the basic things of no man are fallen. Here it is what that see the whole. We are talking about the universe. We are talking about the globe. So many people like our country has our world, our universe has been divided